Hey guys, I'm here on this beautiful day in Snowdonia and I'm heading up to a lovely forest lake that I've never been to before. For a laugh, I thought I'd bring my tarp. Not really for a laugh, I just thought it'd be fun to see how it does in some bad weather. The place is filling up with water. So there's high winds and heavy rain forecast for today. It's beautiful. I found my pitch. It's amazing. I'm going to put up a tarp tent. I'm right next to the water, so I've got water right there. I've not got shelter, but there's nothing that can fall on me because the winds are going to be strong tonight, and we'll see how the tarp tent holds up. If it doesn't, I'll be in my bivy bag anyway, so it won't be the end of the world. Might be an uncomfortable night though. Alright, let's get it up before it gets dark. Maybe proved wrong. It is the 5th of February. Woo! It's not going to be freezing or anything tonight. Well, I don't think it's going to be. After being wet all day and with wet hair and just being out really, just want to get nice and warm. Okay, all my millions of layers on. So here's my view. How beautiful is that out your door? Oh my god, I love it. It's really coming down out there, and there's been some really strong gusts of wind coming through, and it's just staying put, so I'm hoping it's going to be alright. So with setting this up, I've got pegs in every attachment point around the edge. I've also got it anchored down from the front above the door, and I've got 2 anchors along the back. I've never done 2 anchors at the back before. I felt like I might need it today, and I'll just be really pleased if this is all still standing in the morning. That'll be amazing. I got in here and got in my dry clothes, and then I realised I forgot to anchor the back down with rocks, which I would usually do in this situation, and I really don't want to go back out into it now, but it seems to be holding up okay, so we'll see how it does with just pegs. So I've got my water over there, my cook stuff and my sort of damp clothes out the way over there. My bed is all along here, all set up ready to go. That's going to be along here when I actually go to bed, but at the moment I've got it out the way over there. My rucksack and sort of toiletries and electronic stuff over there. Got my Zippo hand warmer on the go. That one, I've got that, just keeping that down my top, and I've got hot hands in my down booties, so I'm well warm and cozy. It's lovely. I've got dinner cooking, the place is filling up with water. That's where I've used the trekking pole, and it's sort of pierced the ground sheet and where I'm sitting in this area. Loads of water's come in. But that's fine, I'm now just on my bivy bag with my mat and everything in it, so it's actually really comfy. Probably be floating around by the morning. like my Lilo. In this kind of situation, dry bags are the best thing ever. Got my bedtime drink and a Kit Kat chonky. I'm gonna have that and then I'm going to bed because there's not much else I can do. I'm just having to lay on my bivy bag because the ground's so wet. And I thought it's because I'd punctured the ground tarp, but it's actually not that. The ground is so saturated that wherever you put pressure on the ground tarp, it just seeps through. So I'm just really hoping the bivy bag does its job, because if it doesn't and it lets water in and my down bag gets wet and I start getting cold, I'm gonna have to pack up and go home during the night, which would be absolutely rubbish. So we will see. I will let you know how that goes. I will speak to you guys tomorrow. Bye! Wish me luck! I need it. Morning guys. It's just gone 7. It's just starting to get light. I'm so lovely and dry and cozy and warm in my little bed, so that's worked absolutely fine. The tarp has just stood up like a champ. It's not budged at all. So the only thing really has been the water coming through from below. There are just puddles everywhere. So yeah, that's not been great, but it's been fine. The wind has been like 45 kilometers per hour all night. It's lashed it down all night. It's just stopped actually for a little while. So I've not had much sleep just because it's so noisy. I'm just gonna get packed up and on my way this morning, and I'll speak to you guys later. My bivy bag, and that didn't let any water in. It's good, isn't it? Everything's gonna be so heavy. You can see all the water in here, especially over there. Look at that. Got a little pond going over there. Almost down now, just having a little rest here. How beautiful is this forest? I'm absolutely in love with it. It's so gorgeous. So yeah, that felt like quite a little adventure. I suppose, unless you're a maniac, if it's bad weather and high winds, you probably don't want to be using the tarp anyway, but I'm so impressed with how that stood up to it all, you know? It's totally rock solid. It was just the ground being a wet issue. But yeah, it was fine. For safety around water, if it's the sea, you want to know the tides. If it's rivers or lakes, of course, in heavy rain, the water level is going to rise, so you want to make sure you're above that and you're not going to get cut off or anything, so you can still get out in the morning. I'm nearly back down to my car. I'm going to go home and I'm going to sleep for like 12 hours. Thank you so much for watching this little trip. I hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see you again next time, guys. Bye!